Well, hey there, I'm Pete from Pete's 3D Scale Models, and today we're headed to the workshop to check out the USPS Mailbox kit. So this is the Postal Service Mailbox. This is a 2-pack. This is the O scale version. Also have this in S and HO. Comes with 2 little mailboxes, 3D printed in resin for really high detail. Comes with the graphics set. These have both the modern and the vintage graphics, so you can make either version, 2 of either version. Here's the print. They're pretty clean, not too much sanding or preparation or anything to do to get ready to fix it up. I love the embossed letters, just like the real thing on there. So I like to spray paint these. So again, just takes a little bit of cleanup, a couple of pieces on the bottom, little chunklets here, but doesn't take much to fix up and get ready to go. So I'm going to use a spray paint. This is actually Krylon matte blue. I like this color. I think it's pretty close to the real thing. And here's one all printed up. Again, this is the O scale version. Pretty clean, ready to go. Now all we've got to do is cut open the graphics, trim to size, and glue them on. So here's a little measuring test here. I've got the HO, the O, and the S scale versions. You can see the O is about a little more than a 1/2 inch wide, the HO about a 1/4 inch, and the S about 3/8. So again, I like to use a straight edge and a ruler to get these, and on these particular ones I'm going to do a modern set first, and we need 4 graphics, 1 for each side. And the idea here is to just trim inside the little black squares, and so I put my handy dandy ruler up there, and again I've got my mag glasses going here and kind of line it up just inside there, and it's nice to be able to make all 4 cuts at once. I mean, the nice thing is that these graphics kits come with some extra images for a few of them, and so if you do have a little snafuzzle there, you can just go ahead and have a redo. That's that. As they go flying everywhere. Okay, our graphics are cut out. Alright, so nothing tricky here. We're just going to use some basic Elmer's glue and a little toothpick to put the glue on. It's a good idea to do a little test fit, always, to make sure that you've got them trimmed right. So just kind of stick one of those in there, and you'll see that there's a little indentation in here for the graphic to sit right inside. Let's go ahead and take our little toothpick, take our little Elmer's glue. I know there's probably a lot of different ways to do this. This is how I do it. Sometimes I put it right on the back of the graphic itself and put the graphic on that way. You know, the thing is to control the amount of glue that goes on there so it doesn't go, splooging out the side and everything, and to make sure you get it pretty good into the corners. So we've got our glue on there. Let's grab one of these. Give it a little presto on there, and that's it. I like these little kits. Some of them are more challenging to paint. Some of them are a little easier. This one's just a spray job. And then the finest work that you're doing is just cutting out the graphics. With a little bit of patience, it's great, pretty easy to get some really good final results. Just taking your time, making sure that they fit. Take the time to test fit. Whoops, almost did that one upside down. 1-800-IDIOT. Yeah, boy. Sometimes I just need a little finesse. There we go. It's in like Flynn. My cutting mat is dirty and used. There's crap all over my workshop. And I hope yours is the same way. Alright. And we're done. One mailbox ready to go on your layout. Now you can weather these. Sometimes on mine I'll take like silver or gray paint and just dry brush. Dry brushing will help bring out some more of the detail, give it a little sort of wear around the edges and things like that. Really bring out the details. So here we go, all three scales done, O, S, and HO. Two versions of each, the modern version with the soaring eagle or something like that they call it, and the vintage one from the 70s through the mid-90s, the gold banded ones. So these are available as kits, both as a 2-pack where you have to paint it, cut the graphics, glue them on there, and those are generally always in stock. I also have them painted and finished, and that's as available. So I'll put these ones up on the website, and if you see something in that painted and finished section that you want, go ahead and grab it while it's there. Pete's 3D Scale Models.etsy.com. We ship worldwide, and free shipping in the U.S. for orders over $35. We have nearly 100 HOS and O scale model kits available. They're all original designs and custom graphics. You can connect with me on Facebook, see our YouTube channel, and our website, www.petes3dmodels.com. Well, thanks for hanging out.